What is up guys, I hope you all are having a great day. My name is Moros and I know it's been a long time since I've been uploaded, about 3 weeks, but now I'm back from a small break, and in this video we'll be looking at the brand new released iPhones of 2018, which are as the following: iPhone XR, iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Max, or you may also call it iPhone XS if you want to make a parody. So without wasting any time, let's get started and let's see what these iPhones have to offer. So if you look at the iPhone XS, there isn't anything new. The screen size is the same, body is the same, the build is the same, except a new color which is light gold, or you may also call it gold, with the new A12 Bionic chip by Apple, which means it would be 30% faster by the raw spec list. But in daily use you won't feel a big difference, and it is basically the same iPhone X without any upgrade of RAM or ROM. But the upgrades that we see are in the iPhone XS Max, which is Plus version, just like the iPhone 7s Plus or the 6s Plus of the last year's iPhone. But this time they're using the word Max instead of Plus. So the Max gives us more RAM and more storage, and the storage goes up to 512 gigabits. And now they are finally in comparison with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and the screen is 6.5 inches. Finally, time has arrived in which Apple has taken a good choice for providing a big screen for their power users. Other than that, this is just a Samsung Galaxy Note 9 but from Apple. A huge battery, a huge screen, and overall a better processor with more RAM. So if we compare these two, they both, like the last year's iPhones, are expensive. The iPhone XS is exactly priced like the iPhone X, which is $999, and the iPhone X Max is priced at the lowest price of $1,019, which is good. But if you go for the spec'd out model, it costs $1,500, which is again expensive, but this is for the one who use lavish phone, and it is a device by Apple, so it is going to be expensive. So the next one is iPhone XR, which is a new and an improved iPhone, or you may also recall it from 5C, because it has a lot of colors like peach, orange, blue, red, and I think so pink also. So it is basically just like the 5C, but more expensive, with some pros and with a lot of cons. According to Apple, it is a budget iPhone, but from nowhere does it look like one. It is priced at about $749 for the least spec model, meaning the 64GB model. And the biggest downside to this phone is that it has an LCD display, but not a full HD display. It is in 720p HD, which Apple advertised saying that this is a liquid retina display. The display is just like any other 720p display. So that is not very good, and shame on you Apple, because phones at $200 or even some phones at $180, they can provide 1080p full HD displays, which are better than this 720p liquid retina display. So the phone, as you all know, can never be a budget phone by Apple, as they are always high-end spec list, but still the phone has a good build, and the best thing about the phone is the colors and a better interface, a better chip than the iPhone 5C, and it is basically just an upgrade for the 5C, or you can maybe even say the SE2, which they have named the iPhone XR. But still, it is a good phone, but not too good for people who are looking for performance to price budget. So other than that were all the phones that were released, and along with that the Apple Watch Series 4 was also released, which is improved and has a bigger screen. Nothing to say more about that, and it is always good like the previous Series 3 watch. And I also really like the Apple Watches, as they are expensive but they are not like iPhone XR. They provide what they take the money for. So overall, that rounds up today's video guys. I hope you had a great time watching the video, and hopefully from now I will be again uploading about 2 or maybe even sometimes 1 video per week. So the rhythm is back, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and bye.